Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we have a vintage 90s Lorus Mickey Mouse Disney watch that has the gold tone case and the gold tone dial. As you can see here on the back, it still has the original blue sticker with the Japanese movement. This is powered by a Quartz movement made by Lorus, a brand that is actually owned by Seiko, so you still get that premium Seiko watch movement quality. Here on the back you should be able to read the model, and also here at 6 o'clock you can actually see the movement number and Lorus and Quartz written. The very cool thing about this watch is that if you pull the crown and move it, you can actually see that the hour hands are the actual hands of Mickey Mouse. This is a common theme when it comes to vintage Lorus character watches. We also have the versions with Mickey and Minnie with the silver tone case and the white dial. So very cool pieces, as you can see, in working condition with new batteries. We also have other pieces, as you can see, Lorus musical watch, and here we have a rare Seiko, so actually made by Seiko. Here we have another 3D musical watch that plays also a song, so very cool piece. We have placed the watch on a red leather watch strap with the gold tone buckle. The watch will be listed soon on our website, link in the description below, guys. If you want to purchase any of these watches, you can find them on our website, vintageradar.com, link in the description below. So guys, that was the quick video. If you enjoyed this type of content, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also let us know in the comments below if you ever owned a vintage or a Disney watch. Thank you guys, and see you on the next one.